You burped before no one.
I thought I fit.
Couldn't do it.
One down.
Yep. He's already better. See, I told you.
Damn.
See? Now you're silent. Burp. Okay, guys, you might like him.
Oh God.
It doesn't like hurt.
I'm not even feeling good.
Oh.
Really not real.
Nej, jag måste rapa. Vänta.
You're gonna end up throwing up, Trent. Come on, hurry up.
Oh,
Seriously? Are you even feeling nauseous at all?
I'm gonna throw up this evening.
Come on, Dad's almost done. We're letting our son drink soda before bed. You can't even talk.
Go to bed.
I can't imagine allowing myself to throw up.
Stop. That's not brown.
Well, he left the brown.
That's not brown. It's all wet. It's gross.
My throat doesn't feel right. Everything is swallow. I hate this one. Ugh.
Who do you think?
At all. It's so gross. Gross.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow, you can do that. Oh, wow, you can do that. You're that.
So this kid's. Oh,